Somebody can't wait for the taco. Is that meat good? It's good, huh? Good shit, man.
That meat's gonna go good in your taco.
Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen, episode 29. Right? Today, we're continuing our Mexican wheat cream. I still have my margarita. I have a margarita here, the keto margarita, which I did, I believe. What?
Our 14th margarita.
Oh, it is time. So, what we're having today is adobada, which is pork. I went and got, come over here, Bill, and look at the meat. I went and got this at the Mexican market, which they just look so good. I kind of have this grilling on here. In here, I have olive oil, yellow bell pepper, onions, and minced garlic. In here, I have the recipe for the keto.
Quit moving.
The Keto Fajita seasoning. I have a half a teaspoon each of salt, Cajun, cumin, ground cumin, Cajun seasoning, and onion powder. And I'm going to add that in at the end once I incorporate the meat into. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grill it right here. Then I'm going to slice it like fajita slices. Add it to this. Add in the fajita seasoning. And we're going to have fajita tacos today. I won't have a taco because I'm on keto. They will. And at the Mexican market, they make their own tortillas. Oh my God, I'm so jealous because they're going to be so good. So I'm going to saute these a little, make sure the meat's cooking, get it in here, and when we come back, we'll just show you the completed dish. Welcome back. He's already yelling at me. Okay, so look at these. Come over here. You know how the onions get kind of clear? I still have some meat going on here. And here's about like 3 pork chops full of meat that I'm going to add in here. I kind of pre-cooked it a little, which I always say that I don't like undercooked pork or chicken. I'm going to incorporate this. Oh my God, it smells so good. And then I'm going to add in all the seasonings. I mixed them all together with the fajita seasoning. I'm going to let these cook down. I'm going to pause for a moment, make some crunchy tortilla shells, and then I'm going to have Eric be my taste tester. So when we come back, we will have the taste test of these Keto Fajitas. Keto Fajitas. You can have fun and eat well and enjoy eating when you're on keto. That's what I'm trying to prove here. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll be right back. I'm just messing with him right now. So, I am prepping his taco right now for the taste test. That does not sound right. So what we have here is the guacamole that I showed you guys last week. I made salsa, the red salsa I made in earlier.
You wore the same outfit 3 shows in a row?
I did 3 shows in one day.
She's been wearing the same outfit for 3 weeks straight.
Yeah. I got my marg.
She's just been drinking margaritas.
This is Mexican Fiesta Day, UFC night. Somebody can't wait for the taco. Is that meat good?
Mm-hmm.
It's good, huh? Good shit, man.
That meat's gonna go good in your taco.
Okay, here we go. You're gonna make your taco. It's got the bell peppers, the onions, that adobada. And I do have to admit that the Mexican restaurant does season it for you. Well, I made that. I did that. Yeah, the Mexican store. I said restaurant, didn't I? Mm-hmm. Mexican store does it. Do you want lime on it, Eric?
Yup.
Oh my God, like that.
Salsa.
Oh my God. More?
No.
Okay. Let's go. Let's do it.
The heartburn out of my ass.
Oh, that looks so good. Oh, cheese. We can't do it without cheese. And I like extra sharp cheese on it.
How drunk would you say she was there?
I am not drunk.
You
Shut
can
up.
smell the alcohol permeating.
Such a lie.
Kind of our armpits.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very good shit.
It's good.
Was it like on the top 5 of dinners, you think?
Trying to think of all things I've tasted. Probably, yeah.
Yeah, the chicken marsala,
Yeah.
the Marry Me chicken.
I made up the Marry Me chicken.
You did, but I made a keto version of it, remember?
Get the fuck out.
Huh?
Take your plate and get the fuck out.
Oh, I want a taco, but I can't have a taco. I'm gonna have mine on. Take your plate.
How's that?
Thank you for joining us. Look at this. I'm gonna share this recipe. This is Mexican adobada keto fajitas, but we can't eat the tortillas. So I will list everything, all the ingredients. I suggest that you go to a Mexican market and get the seasoned meat because it's already done for you. Yvette, you want to come and take a bite of that taco that he left here and see how you like it?
Perfection.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. This is episode 28 or 9? 9. 29 episodes I've done for this asshole. You think that he thanks me for that? No, he doesn't.
You're not in the home, are you?
I'm not in a home. I am not in a home.
I'm about to eat some more.
But I cook for them, so they're not going to put me in a home because I do a lot of cooking for them. Have a great week. Enjoy your Mexican fiesta. Please comment if you try these recipes and let me know. I love to hear from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Check out In the Clinch, press conference, and that's it. They talk some shit on the other stuff. I ain't touting that. Have a great week.